I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make stiff meringue peaks. Begin with clean bowls and room temperature egg whites to maximize volume and stability. Whisk equipment must be grease-free and dry, and separate eggs one at a time to avoid yolk. Measure sugar accurately and have it ready to add gradually. Prepare an acid like cream of tartar or vinegar to stabilize the foam before you start whipping. Preheat your confidence and start whipping whites at low speed until they are frothy and opaque, then raise to medium to build soft peaks gradually. Slowly add fine sugar 1 tablespoon at a time, allowing it to dissolve fully between additions to avoid grainy texture. Use a stabilizer like cream of tartar or a splash of vinegar if desired. Finish at high speed only briefly to reach stiff, glossy peaks without drying the meringue. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more kitchen tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice as a fun little treat after a busy bake to freshen your ride. I've included a link and some other deals in the description so you can find it easily. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Test peaks by lifting the whisk and observing whether the tip stands straight and glossy. That shows proper stiffness and dissolved sugar. If the mixture looks grainy, continue whisking and allow sugar to dissolve fully, or briefly warm the bowl over simmering water while stirring. For runny whites, add a small pinch of cream of tartar or a few drops of vinegar and whisk until the foam tightens into firm peaks. Then proceed to use or bake immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.